Hello and welcome. My name is Fredrik Löfgren Eriksson. After sketching a little while, I felt that the background color was too dark, so I adjusted it and made it lighter. I usually go for a warm grey, because it makes it much easier to paint in the light and the shadows. After a pretty straightforward sketch, I began painting in the main colors with a custom-made flat brush. Broad strokes to get in those colors pretty fast. When the base colors were finished, I merged the sketch layer and the main colors into one layer. And now it's time for my favorite part, the fine details. I paint in the fine details in the same layer with a textured oil brush. If this feels scary, putting all the eggs in the same basket, don't worry. I duplicate these layers several times during the painting. This becomes a fast way to save your progress. So, if anything goes wrong, you just throw away the top layer, and that way you don't lose so much of your progress. In this painting, I tried to make sure that the high contrast and focal points was the woman and the face of the Fury. I use a large brush for the background to speed up the process, and a fine detail brush for the face of the Fury and the woman. Thank you very much for watching.